Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy Frank here from AllMobileTechRuS. So today we did go ahead and receive the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This one specifically is for Xfinity Mobile. So what we're gonna go ahead is gonna go ahead and open it up, look at it, see what's inside of this box today, and then we can go ahead and talk about all the features of the phone. Let's go ahead and see. All right, so look, first thing we see, as I mentioned, the phone is for Xfinity Mobile, the newest network here in the United States. Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's see what's in it. Here we just have return labels. In reality, this is nothing that we want to go over with right now. Here's what really we want to talk about today. It's an Android device. It says that the SIM card is pre-installed. Pretty cool the way Xfinity Mobile is actually packaging their phones. But now here's exactly what we are looking for. As you guys can see, they edit the box with your name on it. That's kind of pretty cool. I like that. But now, what we're here for today. So let's go ahead and take a look. Cool design of the box. As you guys can see, it does says Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in it. Comes with the little stylo pen. So here in the front, it just says Samsung. So what we're gonna go ahead and do now, we're gonna go ahead and open this label. There we go. So here's all the specs on the phone, the IMEI. Go ahead and see what we got here first. So here's the little pin, so you can go ahead and open up the SIM. So you can go ahead and remove the SIM card. Right here we have just meet your phone. This is I'm guessing exclusive for Xfinity Mobile because it talks about Xfinity Mobile there. Talks about how to install your SIM card. And now here we have the actual phone. So let's go ahead and take a look. So as you guys can see, phone's brand new, comes in the blue. This one specifically is 128 gigs of memory. It is expandable, does comes with up to 1 terabyte. It has a 6.4 inch screen with a 12 megapixel camera in the back. And then it has a 6 megapixel camera in the front. It does have 8 gigabytes of RAM. And then the best feature on this phone, which is the biggest change that Samsung made on the Galaxy Note 9, it's the length of the battery itself. So it does come with a 400 mAh battery. So basically makes it last a lot longer. Okay, so here what else we have inside? Just a little cover to put the phone. Okay, so right here we have, these are the headphones. As you guys can see, pretty cool. They do match the phone. The wire itself, it's a little bit different than the last one. It's actually pretty cool. So we have the USB. This is so you can plug it in into your computer or to the charging port itself. And then we have the USB connector. So this is the one that you're going to use so you can plug it in into the phone itself. It is branded Samsung, as you guys can see. Okay, so this is the adaptive fast charging port, originally from Samsung. As you guys can see over here, this goes the one, that goes plugged in into the wall. And I don't know what this is. Okay, so these are the for the ears on the headphones. So you can have different sizes. And I don't know what this is. We'll have to look into this. This is for the SIM card. This is actually, to remove the SIM card. It does have the pins. It makes it a lot easier for you to go ahead and swap out your SIM card and put your memory card in it too as well. Alright guys, so this was the full unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Please remember, subscribe to my channel. The link is going to be below for all social media. Any questions, any concerns you guys might have about this phone, please do not hesitate. Send me a message. I'll go ahead and reply back to it. And again, this is your boy Frank from AllMobileTechRuS. See you next time.